launch. Status check. Verify ready to resume count and go for launch. OTC. OTC still. TBC. Extra booster go. TBC. BTC still. LPS. LPS is good. Houston flight.
Houston flight, if you pull me at the end, I would appreciate it. Stand by.
Yes, sir, we'll pull you later. Mila. Mila, go. STM. STM again. Safety console. Safety console is go. SDE. SDE is go. LRD. LRD is go. SRO. SRO is go. You have a range clear launch. Okay, well, we're starting to feel pretty good down here on the ground about this one today. So on behalf of the greatest team in the world, good luck to you and your crew on the flight of the true American icon.
Atlantis, this OTC, this day has been over 30 years in the making. There have been many fabulous missions throughout the years. On behalf of KSC launch teams, past and present, we salute the entire astronaut corps for their dedication, not only for our expanded knowledge of the universe, but for the improvements you have contributed to on Earth. Have an excellent mission and Godspeed.
Welcome to the Space Shuttle Odyssey here at Columbus State University's Coca-Cola Space Science Center. I'm Dr. Sean Cruzen, and I'm the Executive Director of the Space Science Center. You know, astronauts train for years in order to get a chance to go into outer space. And now it's your turn to get a feel for what that's like. You are sitting in a multi-seat module inside the payload bay of a modified Odyssey-class space shuttle. Your mission will be to blast off into space and dock with the International Space Station. Some of you will be continuing on to Mars, which is very exciting. Others will get a chance to catch a ride to the moon. The rest of you will be staying on station to perform some very important experiments in microgravity. Your mission commander, David Lawrence, is in the cockpit and ready to go. Commander Lawrence, your new recruits are ready.
Thank you, Dr. Cruzen. All systems are go.
Oh, I almost forgot. Certain system controls can be routed to your armrest buttons if needed. Commander Lawrence may need you to push one of those buttons, so be sure and pay attention in case anything goes wrong. But I'm sure nothing will go wrong. So this is where I leave you. Have a great trip. Commander Lawrence, they're all yours.
Thanks again, Dr. Cruzen. Hello, crew, and welcome aboard. My name is David Lawrence, and with me up here at the flight deck is pilots Scott Norman, Chris Johnson, and Lance Tankersley. We're all excited to have you aboard and looking forward to a great flight. The external tank, which is the large orange fuel tank that we're currently attached to, has been filled to its flight load of liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen propellants. Also, the two white solid rocket boosters, or SRBs, have been armed. This is where we'll get most of our power. And when they light, we are going somewhere because there's no turning them off. Before we get started, we need you to activate your vitals transmission by pushing the red, green, and blue buttons so we can monitor your temperature, respiration, and heart rate. I'll activate them now. Go ahead and push all three buttons. All right, looking good.
Space Shuttle Odyssey, this is Mission Control Houston here. Are you ready for T-minus 10-second countdown?
Houston, this is Space Shuttle Odyssey here. My crew and I are ready.
Okay, Odyssey, sound suppression watering system activated.
See all that water? It comes from that water tower and acts as a sound suppression system so the shuttle and launch pad don't get damaged by the sound energy reflecting off of the launch pad.
T-minus 10.
Okay, crew, here we go.
9,
Hold on.
8. Go for main engine start. 5, 4.
There goes the SRBs. Here we go.
1. And liftoff of the Space Shuttle Odyssey.
throttling back to 72%, reducing the stress and breaking the sound barrier. Copy. Go with throttle up. Successful SRB separation. Through these SRBs will fall back to Earth and will be reused. Roger, Houston. Crew, stand by for main engine cutoff. Houston, MECO complete.
Copy that, Odyssey. Stand by for ET separation.
Houston, ET separation complete.
Copy that.
That external tank will burn up in the atmosphere. We are too high in altitude for it to return to Earth. Crew, welcome to space. Beautiful, isn't it? Houston, maneuvering to ISS.
Copy that, Odyssey.
Houston, ISS coming into view.
Copy.
Hey there, Odyssey. This is Sally from the ISS. We can see you coming in and you're looking good. Right on track.
Hey, Sally, great to hear. I've got a great crew here and we're looking forward to coming aboard. Houston, ISS, stand by for contact.
Looking good, Odyssey. You're right on track.
6 inches. 3, 2, 1.
Houston and ISS, contact. Capture confirmed.
Copy that. Great job, Odyssey.
Copy that. Great job, David. And to you and your crew, welcome to the ISS.
Thanks, Sally. Glad to be back. Crew, welcome to the ISS. We are currently traveling at 17,100 miles per hour at an altitude of 249 miles. For those of you going on to Mars or the Moon, have a safe flight. Prepare to disembark. micrometeoroid. Sally, can you see anything from your perspective?
Yes, David. We can see a little debris coming from just below your entrance hatch. I think you're right. Possible micrometeoroid.
Odyssey, Houston here. We see your camera levels and we need you to abort. I repeat, abort. Detach, detach, detach. I repeat, detach. And return to Earth. Do you copy?
Copy that, Houston. Sally, stand by for detach.
Odyssey, Houston here. Your nearest landing site is Kennedy Space Center, runway 15. Good luck.
Thanks, Houston. Crew, I need you to close the overhead spine portals while I maneuver for re-entry. I'll reroute control to your armrest. On the count of 3, I need you all to push the green button when it's armed. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Push the green button. Great job. Now, hang on tight. We're going to be coming in pretty fast, so it may get a little bumpy. Houston, initiating deorbit burn.
Copy that.
Coming into Earth's atmosphere now. This is where things start to really heat up. We're at Mach 15.6 and the outside of our shuttle is about 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's where the tiles on the outside come in. They absorb all this heat and protect us. Let's hope that micrometeoroid damage isn't too bad. We are through the cloud layer and we can see land, but we're still not out of it yet. The shuttle was designed to land with no power, so basically we are a glider now. We only have one chance to land. We'll be coming in at 226 miles per hour, 20 times faster and 7 times steeper than a commercial airliner. It'll look like we're headed right for the ground.
Odyssey, we have a visual.
Copy that. Runway in sight. Houston, stand by for landing gear.
Copy that.
Crew, we have a landing gear malfunction. Let me see if I can get it on the screen. Yep, no landing gear. That's not good. Okay, looks like we've lost hydraulic pressure to unhook the landing gear, and I'm going to have to reroute control to your armrest button. There's an explosive bolt for each of the 3 landing gears, and I need all of you to push the red button to explode each bolt in the 3 landing gears. This will release that unlock hook to get that landing gear down. Okay, everybody, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Push the red button. Let me close. Great job, crew. Just in time. Brace for touchdown. Houston, Space Shuttle Odyssey touchdown.
Roger that, Odyssey. And welcome home.
Thanks, Houston. And thanks to my crew. Great job, everyone.
Well, welcome back, everyone. See, I told you nothing would go wrong, but that was a close call. You know, astronauts go through years of training in simulators to deal with all kinds of emergencies. This way, they're prepared when something goes wrong. Well, I hope you enjoy your experience and enjoy the rest of your stay here at Columbus State University's Coca-Cola Space Science Center.